Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see here that we just log in here in Gmail application in Gmail account. So just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account in our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, then select the Google section, and after that we should click to the more icon and click here to remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again and tap here to OK. Now if you have just some protect methods, unlock methods on your device, you should enter the password or draw the pattern like in my case. Now we can see that we just remove our Google account in Google account settings, and let's go back to the application. And here we can also see that we just log out from Gmail app from Google account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.